ICE has already been in San Francisco for months.
This is not about safety. This is not about law and order.
It was a reminder that we are at the precipice of fascism in our country, and we have to remain vigilant.
Marching up to freedom. Sing it like you mean it. Don't let nobody. Ain't gonna let nobody.
That's why we have to continue to fight. That's why we have to continue to make noise so that we can do the work to free those who have been detained.
When you find out that ICE is on the street, when the National Guard is there, you better be there. It's going to be a long fight. Are you in it with me?
Marching up to freedom.
Our streets! Our streets! Our streets!